I'm Nick O'Neill with Balboa Company here in Beaumont. Today we have 1701 Barbecue here with us. We have our ribs that we're cooking, some Boudain dip and some wings. Cooked them on the big green egg.
I know that every good Super Bowl party needs to start with something on the grill. Today we've got just a little favorite of my family and a lot of our friends. We grew up cooking this. It's what they call country style pork ribs. And essentially what a country style pork rib is a pork shoulder or a pork butt. We're going to season these just like we do at the restaurant. We keep it really, really simple. Just some kosher salt. We'll go in with some coarse black pepper and a little garlic powder. Obviously, you're free to use anything in your pantry, any of your favorite barbecue seasoning. Our area is really known for a lot of Cajun seasonings, a lot of barbecue rubs. Any of those are just fine on this dish. For today's purposes, like I said, we're just kind of doing how we do at the restaurant. We keep it really simple, try to focus on the quality of the meat, and we'll go in with just a simple salt, pepper, and garlic that I want today. Yeah, we're going to be going straight on our green egg today. We've got our lump charcoal going on inside of our green egg. We're rocking at about 375 right now, which is a good temperature for us. We're going to be doing some direct heat cooking right here. We're going to go ahead and open up, and we'll get Jake to help us transfer some of these right onto the grill. I think we can hear it sizzling, so we know that's exactly where we want our heat to be. All right, perfect. We're going to go ahead and shut the lid and let the green egg do its thing. We've got it sitting at about 375 right now, so we're going to check these in probably about 10 minutes or so and see if we need to go ahead and flip them over. I think people have a lot of misconception about pork. I've had these whenever these were really great, and I've had these whenever these were a little chewy. The USDA recommends that you cook pork to 145. I think the temperature on these is really important. So we did cook these to 145, but I wouldn't go any over that because that's where they get to be a little chewy. Pork's kind of weird. You can either cook it to 145 or take it all the way to 200. If not, you kind of get it to 200 and do a little tough.
We've been cooking on the big green egg. It's one of the ceramic smokers. The ceramic will hold in that moisture. It also holds your heat in there. When you close that lid, it's gasketed, so it is airtight. So to keep your temperature where you want it, you control the vent at the top and at the bottom, just like you would a wood-style pit. The more air you give it, the hotter it's going to get. You're able to put charcoal in there, lump charcoal, which is made of wood. You can get 14-hour burn, keeping it about 250. I think today we're cooking a little bit hotter, just with the ribs and the wings. So it just depends on what you're cooking as to how hot you want to be.
All right, everybody knows what Super Bowl party wouldn't be complete without some chicken wings, right? We just keep it really, really simple. We've got the drumettes, and what's the other part we got here? The flats. And we have the flats. Flats are my favorite. We went salt, pepper, and garlic powder on our pork products today. We're gonna do just what is in everybody's spice cabinet around here in Southeast Texas. We're gonna go in with some good old Cajun seasoning. Get Jake to put a little seasoning on here. That's really all we have to do with chicken wings. Everybody thinks that you have to fry chicken wing, but again, if you've got the grill going and everybody's hanging outside watching the game, why not go ahead and utilize the direct heat that you're cooking on? One other little pointer I can tell you, if you have some time, you can go ahead and make the salt these the day before, just kind of get a little dry brine going on these, and really help crisp up the skin on these wings. We've got our wings seasoned up, and again, we've got our green egg going at about 350 right now. So I think it's time this will be ready for the grate.
This is our house-made brisket Boudain. We're gonna put it on the egg and smoke it. Then we're adding cream cheese to it and stir it up and mix it, and it'll be a good chip dip and add Fritos or whatever chips you like.
We are a little biased. We do like our house-made Boudain, and Jake is the master of making all the Boudain. But if you don't happen to have any 1701 Boudain in your refrigerator at the house, feel free to use Boudain. There's a lot of local companies making some great Boudain here. And you can either take this Boudain, you can literally take it out of the casing, so you can cut it with your knife. Or a lot of times in the grocery store, you'll find Boudain, it hasn't been cased. It's actually blocked. That's perfect for this one.
I'm Broussard. I'm with 1701 Barbecue. We're located here in Beaumont, Texas. We're at 1701 Calder Avenue. Hence the name 1701 Barbecue. We opened up in December of 2020. In October of 2021, we were very surprised, but I'd say very excited that we were named on the Texas Monthly Top 50 Barbecue list. Anybody in the barbecue world follows barbecue knows that that's a big deal, especially for us Texans here. We've been blessed since opening our very first day of business. The community's come out and supported us. Again, that's just a little bit of our story. And if you're ever in Beaumont, or hopefully a lot of you people are here in Southeast Texas, stop by and see us. We're open up Tuesday through Saturday at 11 a.m. for lunch service, and we'll see you soon. Just getting some little thin slices here. And again, these are great to come off the grill just as they are. They're great to make some kebabs with as well. Sitting right here, and we can tell those are cooked just perfect. And go with a little bit of extra slather right here on the sauce. Okay, taste test. Barbecue, you gotta get good and messy. Not bad, folks.
Okay, I want to thank 1701 Barbecue, Blue, Jay, for coming out, helping us prepare these fine dishes on a Good Food Friday. I'm going to have a bite of this habanero dip. My favorite.